I just want to make and to close the thing today. Okay, Holy Vulvas. We had 4 days now. Today is the last day. And there was some input I do on the festival. It was around 5,000 euros in the end. We had 4 keynotes, and there were 4 more. So in some it were 8 things we did the 4 days. It was 14 hours of exhibition, including today. Yeah, interesting number, 112 days of preparation. So what was the output? There were 90 visitors here. There were 2 people who were proud enough to have a tattoo. Paula and Dani sold 80 tacos, 5 times the feeling of losing control. We had 3 arguments, Marcus and me. There's one supporting organization from Vejer for women. They support the project now and they will spread the word. 0 press articles about this. 50 motivating messages over WhatsApp the last days. And I got 50 new followers on Instagram.
Wow.
I sold 3 posters. It was 6 postcards, including today. 2 new supporters for the teaming website. 197 euros donation. What's really nice, I got 20 ideas for more love and less violence. So what is my vision? I like to have kind of 900 people seeing the exhibition. I want to have 0 discussions with Marcus. I like 0 times losing control feeling. Paula and Dani will sell 800 tacos. I like that Olga will do 50 tattoos of vulvas, of holy vulvas. I like more or less 20 press articles. I like 500 more followers on Instagram. I like to sell 200 because I have 100 posters, 500 postcards. I like to have round about 1,500 euros donations, 10 supporting organizations, and I like to reach the number of, this is my dream, 1,500 teaming supporters. Finally, but I think this is really, really important, I like 100 or even more ideas for more love and less violence.